Parents were asking for a dash cam, and this is the perfect setup for their Subaru. We have to remove these trims the easiest way. I mean, you could just put your fingers and pull it up, or you could put this in and pull it up that way as well. But it comes off pretty easily for the most part. So you could stick this in here just to, and we don't actually need to take out the whole thing, just enough to run the wire underneath it. So that should be enough. Okay, so I cleaned the area and I'm going to place this static film. Alright, that looks good. So I'm just basically gonna put it in like this. Just tuck this part in. It's coming up like this, so I'm just gonna go put it behind the rubber seal like this, and then just put the seal back when it's done. I ran the USB-C cable through there, so there's an opening right here, and it comes out the other side. So it passes through the center part pretty easily. Then we run it along underneath the rubber seal. Okay. This part comes off pretty easily. I just need to pull this out. And do be careful with it because the airbag is right here. Now, instead of moving up, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to start from here. I'm going to connect the rear camera and I'm going to start pushing this inside. And then I'm going to get some cable ties and cable tie it to this wire. You want to be behind the airbag. You don't want to obstruct the airbag just in case if it needs to pop. Hopefully, you know, there's no accident or anything, but you do want to, just in case, you want the cable to be behind this thing. Okay, so I cable tied the wires to this wire behind the airbag, and now I'm going to just go down from here. Now I have this excess, and what I'm going to do is I'm basically just going to essentially hide it in here. Alright, so I'm just gonna hide the excess cable in here now. Super simple. And I'm just gonna put the trims back in. Okay, so now I'm going to take out the glove compartment. So let's pull this thing out, and then you can literally just pull it out like that. Spots right here where I could zip tie this stuff. So I placed the back camera a little angled so it gets both sides of the back. So we have the cable going from here, here, from the bottom of the trim. And then it goes up from there. I have the access in there. And then it goes up to behind the airbag where it's cable tied. Comes up and comes here. The power goes the same, pretty much the same direction. Just like that, again zip tied, except it goes on the bottom. It is cable tied down there. And then it comes up from the side, goes in through here, and connects right there.